Hello guys, One Key Car Garage here again. We have a package today and look like it's going to be a good one. It's an unboxing video. Look at this. It's finally here. This is from Amazon. Guys, this is the ACDelco lithium ion 12 volt 3/8 ratchet wrench. Right, that's the packaging. So it comes in a box like this. Right. Oh. Let's see what else. The rear of the box. That's a model number. Makes life a lot easier working on them cars. Right, so we got the G12 battery platform, and what I like about this is it's not bulky as with some of the other drills. It's more compact design, so you can get into tight spaces. This is a G12 battery. And we have the charger. Pretty straightforward. And apologies guys, I'm doing this one-handed. Oh, has a good weight to it. We have the trigger design here. Vents. It's a head, and it seems most of the weight is concentrated in the head of this. Right. Let's see how much charge this battery comes with. Oh, that's not it. There we go. So guys, pretty simple. Seems like it has a lot of power. On this one, I do not see switch. So if you were to lay it in a toolbox, that could possibly happen. I don't see a battery indicator here, but you know, for the price, the specs, had some good reviews on there, and this one is retailing on Amazon with the one battery pack for $69. It's a 45 foot-pound torque, and it's a compact design, so it can make life easier. Let's get on the reverse. And guys, stand by, I have 2 more on the way from the same company, a long neck design, extended version to get in, slimmer version, and a larger 1/2-inch version, which is a brushless design, and that should be a good one for your heavier jobs, but this seemed like it will get the job done. Have a good one, guys.